In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear protection history in Microsoft Defender. Protection history is where Microsoft Defender keeps a record of recent scans, detected threats, and actions it has taken on your device. Clearing it can help with privacy, reduce clutter, and refresh old entries that are no longer relevant. This process doesn't disable Defender or remove active protection. It simply clears the stored history logs. Start by opening the Run dialog. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. You'll see a small window appear in the bottom left or center of your screen labeled Run. In the open field, type the following path exactly as you hear it. C:\program, data \Microsoft \Windows, Defender \scans \history. Program data is a hidden system folder. So using the Run box is a quick way to jump straight there without changing any File Explorer settings. After you've entered the path, press Enter on your keyboard. File Explorer will open to the History folder. Inside, look for a folder named Service and double-click to open it. This Service folder is where Microsoft Defender stores the files that make up your protection history. What you see inside may vary depending on your system and recent scans, but it's normal to find multiple files and sub-items here. Now, we're going to select everything inside this Service folder. Click anywhere in the empty space within the folder and press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. That selects all files and folders in one go. You should see everything highlighted. With the items selected, delete them permanently by holding Shift and pressing Delete. Using Shift+Delete bypasses the recycle bin, which ensures the history is actually cleared rather than just moved to temporary storage. You'll likely be asked to confirm that you want to permanently delete these items. Choose Yes to proceed. If Windows prompts you for administrator permission, select Continue. These prompts are normal because you're working in a protected system directory. Once the deletion completes, the Service folder should be empty or nearly empty. That's it. Your protection history has been cleared. The next time Microsoft Defender runs a scan or detects something, it will repopulate this area with fresh entries, so you'll only see new, relevant items going forward. A quick reminder. Clearing protection history does not remove quarantined threats or change your security settings. It strictly removes the log files that record past events. If you'd like to keep a record for your own notes, consider taking a screenshot before you clear the folder. And that's how you clear protection history in Microsoft Defender. Quick, safe, and effective.